is Canada Day long weekend, Monday. I'm gonna try something different. Got my Tim Hortons here. We are at Saturn Drives meet today, and we are gonna do a cruise with him, or the group. So this will be a new style of video for me. Gonna test it out, see how it goes. I might do something like this on the rally that's coming up in about a week and a half, so I'm excited. And so yeah, I'm just gonna try this camera out, see what the sound is like and see what the quality is like. And I'll show you guys around in a second. This is the facility in Excellence Auto Body. This is just one of the small sections. We have GTO Judge, as they call it, right here. Beautiful car. They work on regular cars too, like a Mazda 3. And then, like I said, their Tesla authorized repair shop right up there. Fix it right the first time. This facility is honestly massive, guys. They do every kind of thing that you can think of, from painting to details. And you can see the size of this facility. It's packed in here. When they're working, today's a Saturday, so they're closed for us. But when they're working, they're very, very well organized. Here we have a brand new RS6. Look at that, inside is a little bit torn up. I think the airbag went off on this. Beautiful. And then we have a Corvette here. They even have, obviously, hoists. We have one hoist here. This is a lift right here, and then another hoist over there. Some of the cars, Clarkson Fine Cars. We have a Lotus, the Tofu car, A86 with a custom plate. Very, very cool. Yellow Ferrari over here, 355, I believe, if I'm not wrong. Everyone's just getting ready. We're waiting for a few more people. And now we are at a gas station in Buffalo. We have a few of us with us because every time we cross the border, it takes some time. So we try to regroup a little bit as we can. We have a few people here with us. We're just gonna start rolling in 5 minutes. Good trip. We had pretty much the whole group with us. TTS, I should say. We have T8, M8, we have Sunny, we have Vince, my name Kevin, Tony and his new 750S, beautiful. Angelo here, 765, Reza, E92 M3, C8R, C8. Cars are lined up behind me. I don't know if you can hear, the highway is very loud, but I'm gonna show you some of the cars. These guys, Giuseppe and his co-pilot Adam, are freaking awesome for driving with the top down in the Mercy. Look at how sick this looks. Straight pipe, shoots flames here and there. So sick. Brad in the Jag, Rez in the M3, Angelo sitting in the car.
Let's get it. That is Kevin.
How are you finding it so far after day one?
Yeah,
Your
it's been great.
Stressful.
Stressful?
Yeah, my wife.
Looking forward to driving with you guys.
Yeah, likewise.
Us as well.
I wish my car didn't get beat by a 6-cylinder BMW.
I agree.
But
And the filming crew has been amazing. I can't believe they don't fall out of those vehicles
Right?
at 130 kilometers an hour.
Yeah.
I got a question for you.
Yeah.
Who hangs onto your feet?
No one.
Oh,
Driver gotta drive.
stunt driver.
wow.
Nice.
Nice.
Interesting.
Yeah. We put our whole weight on the chair and the side
Yeah.
armrest, I guess.
Interesting.
So we hold on.
Nice.
Today we have Karen here and Ramona as well. So please tell me your experience as passengers with Dwayne and Mike over here. How was the first day for you guys?
The cars were amazing. The drivers, well,
Whoa, I don't know.
There was good moments and there was bad
good moments and tough ones. Yeah, absolutely.
I mean, it was
absolutely.
raining, so they didn't get to really push the car safely.
No,
They had to be careful.
Yep.
So we'll see how you guys do tomorrow, and I'm gonna interview you guys tomorrow
Okay.
and get your reaction after we do twisty roads as well.
Looking forward to it.
Someone will still be with us.
We might be in the same car tomorrow.
How is it like navigating? Is there a lot of work? Are you guys navigating, helping out with comms? I think I heard one of you guys at one point, like,
Actually, that is one of the best organizations I've ever been a part of is today, just as far as the apps that we use and they will communicate well. And if we were out of walkie-talkie range because we got held up somewhere, everybody was putting it in the chat, so we knew what was coming up and knowing that it was clear to try to catch up to the group. So really, really good communication and made it really easy to know where we were at and trust everybody. So
thank you so much.
Thank you for being here.
first time doing Ace Spade Rally. You've done others in the past. You're an amazing driver. I see you driving. So please give us some feedback as a driver and as a passenger on Ace Spade. How's it been so far?
It's been awesome. I love the high-speed driving, love the twisties. We got a little bit lost, but it's good to be with the group, so far so good.
How's it been as a passenger so far?
Very good, very good. So much fun, and with all the twisties. I thought I would be scared, but no.
You're good?
Yeah, it's
She's
really
egging
fun.
me on going to go faster, right? Yeah.
It's really fun.
It's been good. I think the twisties, hopefully tomorrow will be even better. So hopefully you guys enjoy the driving. But how has the experience been with people, with everyone that you've met, everyone that you've talked to? How's the experience been like that?
Yeah, it's been awesome. Everyone's so nice, friendly, good stories about how they got their cars. It's awesome.
Awesome. I'm very glad to meet you guys and have you guys on the rally. I'm looking forward to the rest of it with you guys.
Yeah,
Thank you.
Thank you.
This last couple of days has been fantastic. I need to see the best cards. So you guys have got cards over the few days.
No
cheating on this one. We have a full house.
King full.
Whoa, hold on.
King's full.
We have 2 full houses.
Oh, get out of here. We got a
full
royal.
head. Oh no.
Straight flush. Straight flush.
Straight flush.
Straight flush. Oh, we got a royal flush. We got a royal flush.
You're such a cheater. Wow.
We got a royal
Okay,
flush.
the
Royal
winner of the best poker hand, which is the Poker King, is Mr. McLaren.
What a big flush.
So we made it to Keswick. It's a beach lakefront bar and grill. All the cars are parked on top of the grass, front lawn. No issues on drive, very smooth drive. Kept it safe, no one was speeding. Very fun drive, nice back roads. Only one person got pulled over and they got a ticket for no front plate, and that's me. So apart from that, it was all right. We're over here, everyone's inside enjoying a nice meal, and yeah.
Hi, I'm Rez. Welcome to my dental practice. Come with me. Welcome to Dentistry for You, located here in Woodbridge, Ontario. We are a car-themed, full-service dental office that supports Saturn Drives, and we have been a member for many years. A lot of our patients are friends and members of the group, which enjoy the car theme of the office.
Hello, hello. Cute boy. We are at a Timmy's in somewhere in Quebec. I'm not sure where. Just a quick stop because we lost some people in the morning. We are now caught up with everyone, I believe.
Hi, my name is Abraham. I'm the owner here over at the Bar Jewelers. I'm a member of Saturn's Drives.
It is a very early morning on a Sunday in a random parking lot in Mississauga. Today we are going down to Buffalo Cars and Coffee. It's their season end, expecting over like 2,000 cars, so we'll see how big that is. We got a pretty good group with us today. It's very early. Sun barely coming up now. Hopefully we'll have a good drive. stopped at a random road in New York State, waiting for 2 more people to catch up.